Hi guys, welcome to Motal channel. This video is about this filter press. Today we add something to this machine. Yes, this floating iron piece. Oh god, that was so hard to raise it. Because we didn't have enough space to install the chain crane. Chain crane is almost 30 centimeters, but our space is only 15 centimeters. Actually, we did that by maintaining balance. And to do that, we put a iron in front and an iron in back. This is entrance of edible oils to filter press. And as you can see, for join this pipe and this flange, we should have a caulk weld. Just listen. Guys, thanks still watching me. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, like it. For watching the rest of the video, watch this video.